Welcome to Xciting Machines, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the realm of innovation with 10 cool tools you should know about. From ingenious problem solvers to futuristic inventions, we've handpicked the best to elevate your DIY game or simply make life easier. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, prepare to be amazed by the versatility and ingenuity of these must-have gadgets. Join us on this journey of discovery as we showcase the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. Get ready to be inspired on Xciting Machines. Number 1. sber TW18B. The sber TW18B is a battery-powered torque wrench designed for tightening fasteners on railways, up to a maximum torque of 250 Nm. It's ergonomic and compact for comfortable use, even during long shifts. It can be used as a handheld tool or mounted on a special trolley for wheeled operation. The TW18B prioritizes safety with features like low vibration and a night light for better visibility. It also boasts work certification capabilities. Thanks to its preset programs and internal memory, the wrench can store data on jobs performed, which can then be exported to a USB stick for printing certificates. The TW18B is built tough with an IP44M rating for rain resistance and requires minimal maintenance. Number 2. Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit. Ditch the wobbly chairs and precarious ladders. The Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit offers a safe and easy solution for reaching those out-of-the-way bulbs. This versatile kit boasts an 11-foot telescopic pole that extends your reach, eliminating the need for climbing. 5 interchangeable attachments tackle various bulb types, from standard incandescents to floods and even broken bulbs. The secure snap design ensures the attachments stay firmly in place, while the non-scratching materials protect your bulbs and fixtures. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for safe and efficient bulb changes, making those high ceilings and distant fixtures a breeze. Number 3. Digital Angle Finder. Forget eyeballing it. The Digital Angle Finder is a game-changer for achieving perfect level and precise angles in any project. This compact tool boasts a digital display that provides accurate readings, eliminating guesswork and ensuring professional results. Whether you're hanging shelves, aligning furniture, or installing crown molding, the digital readout takes the hassle out of finding the perfect angle. Its lightweight design allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces, while some models even offer a hold function to lock the reading for convenient transfer. Upgrade your toolbox with a digital angle finder and achieve flawless results on every DIY project. Number 4. Format Folding Spotlight. The Format Folding Spotlight isn't just another lighting solution, it's a portable powerhouse designed for convenience and control. Imagine a compact spotlight that unfolds to reveal a powerful beam, perfect for illuminating dark corners, workspaces, or even outdoor areas. The folding mechanism allows for easy storage and transportation, while the adjustable head directs light precisely where you need it. Imagine a camping trip where this spotlight unfolds to brighten your campsite, or a mechanic using it to illuminate an engine compartment. The Format Folding Spotlight is a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Leister Vacuum Plate 300. The Leister Vacuum Plate 300 is your secret weapon for identifying leaks in plastic membranes used in roofing and civil engineering projects. This innovative tool creates a non-destructive vacuum seal, testing the tightness of seams in materials like HDPE, PVC, and EPDM. Its flexible design conforms to uneven surfaces, ensuring a reliable test even on rough terrain. An adjustable valve allows you to control the vacuum strength, making it suitable for both thin and thick membranes. The Leister Vacuum Plate 300's simple operation and portability make leak detection a breeze, saving you time and ensuring a watertight final product. Number 6. Global Industrial 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. The Global Industrial 4-in-1 Portable Workbench is more than just a workbench, it's a versatile workshop in one. This compact unit folds down for easy transport and storage, but unfolds into a sturdy work surface with a 500-pound capacity. The reversible top provides both a non-slip work area and a steel hammering surface. Built-in features like a ruler, cutting groove, drill hole guide, and power strip with 3 outlets make it ideal for various tasks. With its adjustable legs, storage tray, and caster dolly base, this workbench offers portability and functionality for DIYers, contractors, and mechanics alike. Number 7. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader is a cordless option for creating threads on pipes. It's known for its portability and ease of use. One of its key features is auto stop, which automatically shuts the tool down if it senses severe kickback. The die heads are constructed from lightweight aluminum, making them easy to carry around the job site. This pipe threader can handle various materials including black iron pipe, stainless steel, and rigid metal conduit. It even has Bluetooth connectivity so you can track the tool's location and manage it through the Milwaukee 1KEY app. Number 8. Wallcom Air Blower Pro. The Wallcom Air Blower Pro is a tool for drying surfaces, specifically suited for basecoat applications. It generates a continuous stream of warm air, reaching temperatures around 70 degrees Celsius 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps to accelerate drying without damaging the basecoat. The Air Blower Pro features an air regulator, allowing you to adjust the airflow for optimal drying control. Priced around $79, it's a practical tool for professional detailers or hobbyists working with painted finishes. Wallcom offers the Air Blower Pro directly through their shop, though it appears other retailers carry it as well. Number 9. Dotshot. Dotshot is a versatile tool designed to streamline adhesive application in various industries. This innovative device offers precise, controlled dispensing of adhesives, sealants, and other liquids, minimizing waste and ensuring accurate application. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly operation make it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Dotshot enhances efficiency and productivity by eliminating the need for traditional messy application methods, such as brushes or squeeze bottles. With its compact size and portable nature, Dotshot is a convenient solution for bonding, sealing, and assembling tasks in construction, manufacturing, crafting, and more. Experience efficiency and precision with Dotshot. Number 10. OX Pro Claw Bar. The OX Pro Claw Bar is a multipurpose tool for demolition and prying tasks. Built for strength, the OX Pro Claw Bar features forged steel construction, making it ideal for heavy-duty jobs. Its unique design combines a pry bar with a hammer head, offering versatility for both demolition and driving nails. The polished, beveled claws provide easy access to tight spaces for prying or removing nails. Topped with a comfort non-slip grip, the OX Pro Claw Bar allows for secure handling and leverage during use. Available in various lengths, it's a handy tool for any toolbox. As we wrap up this showcase of incredible tools on Xciting machines, we hope you've been inspired by the innovation and creativity on display. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Stay tuned for future episodes where we explore even more groundbreaking tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, creating, and making your world more exciting.